In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish a REDCap survey. So to do this, you must do a few things, and I'm going to show you every single one of them step by step. The very first thing you have to do, you want to go to your project, and then inside the Setup tab over here, so Project Setup, and then the first thing here is going to say Main Project Settings, and it says Use Surveys in this project. You must enable this to be able to publish surveys. So click on Enable over here, wait for a few seconds, and it's going to get enabled. Now, whenever you do this, you have to then activate the specific form as a survey. So go to Designer over here on the left. And then from here, as you can see, you have your different instruments and you can enable them as surveys by clicking on Enable over here. And it's going to get enabled as survey whenever you set these settings and click on Save Changes. Now take your time and actually go through the settings to actually make it however you want it to be. And there we go. We now have a survey over here. Now, whenever you do this, of course, currently it's still in development, as you can see, but you have to basically move your project to production to be able to then distribute and to be able to kind of publish your survey. So to do this, you just simply have to go to your project setup over here up top yet again. And then you want to scroll down, and here it says move your project to production status. Click on move project to production. I'm going to keep these, click on yes, move, and then OK. And as you can see, it's going to basically move it. So if I click on again, it says that this is an error. It uses a randomization module. So if it happens to you as well, you have to basically disable the randomization or whatever it tells you it's not going to work. So let me actually just do this again. And now it should actually work. Yeah, there we go. And I've now pushed this to production. As you can see up here, it says project status production. So now you can go to survey distribution tools. If you don't see this, you can go to user rights here on the left. Click on the user, in this case it's going to be myself, and then click on edit user privileges. When you do that, you want to of course enable survey distribution tools here under other privileges, check mark this, click on save changes, and you'll be able to see this when you refresh your REDCap. And then in here, you can then just go ahead and copy this link over here, or you could use any of the other methods to basically kind of publish this survey. So we can open the public survey just like this, or you could go ahead and of course use any of these other options, and that's essentially how you do this. So that's how to publish a survey. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.